Good morning, everybody. Ross Pitkoff here. The SBA has put out its guidelines for the requirements in order to obtain a Paycheck Protection Program loan and what repayment's going to look like with respect to interest rates, with respect to time frame, and how you can obtain loan forgiveness. So at the bottom here, I'm going to provide the link so that anybody can click through to the SBA's website. Now, officially, the loans are going to be administered through lenders. So you're going to want to look to your local lenders like local bank branches like Citibank, like Wells Fargo, like JP Chase. I can tell you this, as of 8 a.m. this morning, JP was not prepared. I don't know that they're going to be taking on applications today. It looks like Bank of America does have a website where you can go and you can fill out an application. Now, it does require that you have an account with Bank of America. I also took a look. It doesn't look like Wells Fargo or Citibank is prepared either at this point in time to start accepting loan applications. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to put a link for Bank of America for those of you who bank there or want to see what you can do about getting a loan through them. You'll have the link to get to their Payment Protection Program website now. So just really briefly, and this is all taken from the SBA site, and is a reminder of some of the things we may have heard already. So the loans are going to be fully forgiven if the funds are used for payroll costs, interest on mortgages, rent, and utilities. And it looks like the expectation is that at least 75% of the forgiven amount is going to be need to be used on payroll if you're going to get forgiveness. So if you're getting a loan of $100,000, it sounds like $75,000 of that's going to need to be used for payroll in order to ensure that you're getting full loan forgiveness. Payments on those loans are going to be deferred for a period of 6 months. There's going to be no collateral or personal guarantees required at all. Neither the government nor lenders are going to be charging businesses any fees. And forgiveness is going to be based on the employer maintaining or quickly rehiring employees and maintaining salary levels. So it looks like there's going to be a maturity date of 2 years, and the interest rate is going to be 1%. So you're talking about a pretty low interest rate for these loans and a possibility of forgiveness based upon how you use the funds. Now, when you go to this SBA link and you kind of read through what I just iterated to you guys, you're also going to see that you can click on a downloadable form. That downloadable form is going to provide you with all the information that the lenders are going to be asking you for when you go and fill out the application through the banks. So what I would do is jump onto the SBA website, take a quick look through, just read everything that's on there. It's pretty brief. And then download the form that's going to show what it is you're going to be required to share, certain disclosures about your business, about the size, about payroll, about the owners, etc. And at least that way you can get the documentation ready, so when the lenders are ready to take applications, which could be later today, you're going to want to be in a position that you can just go ahead and get this done. Because honestly, it could be chaotic. There could be tons of businesses running over. There's different articles out there, some saying that the administration hasn't provided enough information to the lenders, but at the same time, it looks like B of A is in a position to start at least accepting applications. However, we're going to really see what happens as the day progresses. Hope this is helpful. Talk to everybody soon.